Welcome to another monthly tip or trick. This month we have, I guess it's a little bit of a trick. Most people probably know this, but I guess I figured it was worth throwing out there for some of the people that might not know it. If you have a vehicle that has hood struts that hold the hood up, and you've had some of them fail, like, the hood won't keep itself open and we've had to, prop the hood open with like a piece of wood or something like that, well, you can actually just use a pair of vice grips to hold your hood open. And again, this is only for vehicles that have hood struts that would normally hold your hood open. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a set of vice grips. We're going to open the hood. My hood struts actually keep the hood open because I replaced these like 2 years ago, but just to demonstrate, say your hood wouldn't stay open, you would of course hold your hood open and take your vice grips just below where the cylinder goes in, clamp them down, and it would hold your hood open. So that's just a little monthly tip, or actually that one is a trick, I guess. It's kind of difficult to determine which ones are tips and which ones are tricks. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed these little monthly tips or tricks. Again, these are going to be every third Friday of the month, so make sure to stay tuned for those. And like I said, make sure to go into my channel, check out a couple videos. I've got all kinds of different stuff in there. If you find a video that you like, hit the like button. If you have something to say, leave it down in the comments. And if you find a couple videos that you like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.